guys, what's going on? How about that day? Anybody got any news they want to share? Oh man, I'm sorry to laugh. I find it hilarious when I see the panic. Guys. People talking about WW3 and all kinds of FUD. You know what I did today, guys? You know what I did? I bought a whole bunch of crypto. That's what I did. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing on a string. All right, let's check out JASMY's chart. Look at that, daily close, and now we're trying to pump back up. Can we get back over the 30-day SMA first of all? Let's get that going, and then we'll see what we can do from there, guys. Got to break back outside of this, back outside of our falling wedge pattern here. We're back inside of it, which is fine. I talked earlier today about Bitcoin's monthly close, guys. Now, it doesn't matter. Some people are panicking like, oh, I thought it was going to be October. Guys, we're not even 24 hours into October yet. And people are like, oh, I thought it was so much for October. Chill, man, chill, right? Like, September started the month like down something like 11 or 12, 13% or something like that. It ended up closing like plus 11. So people need to slow down. It's half a day. We're half a day into October and people are panicking. Unbelievable. That tells me that there's a lack of research going on. There's a lack of conviction going on here, guys. You can't be that gullible. You can't, right? Come on. We've seen this before. How many times this year and last year have we seen WW3, Armageddon, this, that, and the other thing? Bull run's not happening. It's all bullshit, right? Come on. All right, let's get into the chat, see what's going on, guys. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Isaac, my family, what's up, brother? It's always good to see you, brother. I replied to your message over on the Discord. What's up, Rob and family? What a pullback did. Well, I mean, you should have expected it because I did say over the last week or so that we could see a pullback down between 60. I thought 62, 63. But for me, the floor on Bitcoin is 57, right? We could go as low. Guys, listen. We could go as low as 57. We could go 52. Guys, as we could fall, I'm not saying we're going to, but we could fall all the way back down to 49K. And we would still be inside the upward trajectory that we've been in, right? I'm not saying we're going to fall that far, but we could, right? We had a higher high on the monthly close, which is what we needed, okay? Same thing with the weekly. Very, very bullish, guys. What happens on day 1 of October turns red because of some negative catalysts. You know, there's a strike at the ports and stuff like that. I addressed that earlier today as well. Guys, you watch 2-3 days from now, we're going to be pumping back up again. We're at prices we were at a week ago or so, right? And people are panicking. So gotta chill, guys. Gotta chill. It's coming. We're going to have a mega bullish Q4. It's day 1 of Q4, guys. Day 1. And also, here, guys, for the JASMY family out there, here is something to look forward to. We are in the first week of Q4. And what does that mean? I'm gonna leave this question to you guys. Let me know in the chat, okay? What does the first week of Q4 bring us for JASMY? Tell me in the chat. Lily, what's up? Tara, yo, Rob and JASMY family, what's going on? Doug, Rob, good evening, everyone. DCA, baby, great things coming. Yes, I did do some DCAing today. I put out my buy alerts for the members of YouTube and the Patreon, so check that out, guys. Isaac, I only bought 200 pith, didn't have funds to buy much more. Everything's a drop in the bucket, brother. Pat Lander's in the house. What's up, man? Marco, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Big Kev, hey, Rob. Crypto fam bought some today. Buy those dips. Yes, exactly. People who bought today in a couple of in a couple of days, a week or so, are going to be happy, right? People who sold are going to be kicking themselves in the groin. Rob, I need a book of one-on-one with you. I have a few questions for you. Yeah, no problem, man. I'm going to try to burn through as many as I can on Sunday and Monday this time around. This Sunday, Monday. I got a little bit tied up last Sunday. Did a live stream. Got a little crazy. We had Wes on and stuff. So, but yes, we will get. I'm going to try to sprinkle in some one-on-ones during the week as well for you guys over on the Patreon. So, so absolutely. Absolutely. All right. So what do we got going on, guys? Nobody's got a guess to what happens the first week of the quarter for JASMY. Nobody's got a guess, really. Somebody's got a guess. I already gave you a hint. It's for JASMY, right? Let's go have a look at the bubbles while we're waiting to see if anybody's got a guess. All right, so JASMY down 8.4, still above 2 cents, guys. Very, very nice. Very nice. Volume's up a little bit, 87. Kev, SecurePC. We're going to talk about the SecurePC, but no, that is not what happens. Brandon got it. The innovation zone, the monitoring zone. Tara got it as well. Binance reclassified JASMY. Death Bank in the house. Yes, the monitoring zone. We're going to get out of the innovation zone. Yes, that is what is happening this week. The first week of the quarter. Binance reevaluates and assesses all of the projects in their monitoring zone. So maybe we'll get a bullish catalyst. Who knows, right? So we have something to look forward to this week. Macro PDL kicks off. Yeah. I wish they would hurry up with that already, eh? Let's get it going, get it popping. But again, like I always say, guys, I would rather them take their time and get it launched properly than rush it out to market and it have all kinds of bugs, because that would just bring in all kinds of fudsters, right? If that was the case. So I wish the PDL was being released. Yeah, no kidding, man. No kidding. So yeah, look across the market, guys. We got some big XRP stuff to get through as well. Brandon, I got it right. Yes, you did, brother. Yes, you did. So, guys, listen. Phenomenal DCA opportunity across the board here. Doesn't even matter what your project is that you love. It is a fantastic opportunity to accumulate. I would not say, I wouldn't pass it up. I definitely would not pass it up. I would like to stake my JASMY through the bear market. Yes. Well, I mean, you're going to be able to. I covered that the other day. When the JASMY wallet releases here with the PDL shortly, you are going to be able to stake your JASMY. So I'm just curious as what the APR is going to be. That's going to be interesting. But I'm with you, Isaac. I'm going to be staking mine as well all through the bear market, because I'm keeping 50%. I like where your head's at, brother. I dig it. I dig it, man. People who were selling, panicking today and stuff, in a couple of weeks, man, they're going to be talking like, they're going to be like, shit. I dig it. I love it. All right, what else do we got? What do we got going on out there, guys? Let's see what's going on. Let's get right into the JASMY SecurePC. Courtesy shout out to Little Bidman. JASMY SecurePC alert. VIO announces the full compliance and integration of the Intel vPro platform on the Pro PK, aka the SecurePC model laptops. That is JASMY, guys. The Intel vPro platform compliant model has enterprise management features and advanced security for efficient and secure operations. For details, please contact the sales representative or dealer of VIO. It has been announced several times by JASMY that the Pro PK is the top of the line JASMY equipped secure PC. More adoption for JASMY. God, I love that. I love it, guys. I love seeing it. Vio, massive brand name in laptop technology, guys. Just adopted the JASMY SecurePC technology. You love it. You love it. You absolutely love it. What else do we got going on? What do we got? All right, so JASMY on the daily. Now look at this. Says the crypto titan. Something interesting for JASMY. As JASMY had a successful breakout from the falling wedge pattern, we can confirm that the same via retrace. Now my target for JASMY would be 40 to 45% from here, bringing us up to around that 3 cents to mark for the next leg up before we head back to 4 cents 4. Absolutely beautiful. Lily, you know how much I sacrifice? Yes, exactly. I had to bring it back, guys. I had to bring back the old school. All right, what else do we got? Check it out. Plan B, Bitcoin September close, 63,300. The 8th month in the 60 to 70K trading range, guys. That's what I'm telling you. We had a higher high close on the monthly time frame, which is exactly what we needed, okay? So that's why things are bullish on the bigger picture. Don't look at the daily, look at the weekly, look at the monthly. Breaking news, Japanese company MetaPlanet just bought another 107.913 Bitcoin for 1 billion yen. Whales are loading up. Are you? That's the question. Are you? What else do we got? Look at this, guys. Just in, spot Bitcoin ETFs bought up all of the Bitcoin mined in September. Every single Bitcoin that was mined in September was purchased by the ETF holders. Every one of them. And I've addressed this in the past, guys, that there's going to be a very, very big supply shock for Bitcoin, which is going to affect the entire market because the price of Bitcoin is going to go nuts when people start to realize you can't buy much of it anymore. The reserves on exchanges are plummeting and the miners are just selling it directly now, right? Look, the number of Bitcoin mined for September, 13,500. The number of Bitcoin bought by the ETFs, 17,941. Guys, we're not even getting new Bitcoin on the market anymore. We're actually in the red. Like, how do you not understand that a supply shock is imminent here, right? It's coming. Is Ondo really on this project? A lot of people saying he has nothing to do. I don't know who a lot of people are, Brandon, but I've already done so many videos and live streams. I've had, I don't know, Brandon, if you're new here, welcome, my friend. This is the only channel on YouTube that has 3 JASMY ambassadors that have come on the channel, that come on the channel. We've done JASMY roundtables addressing this multiple times. Ondo is the founder of the project and is confirmed in the JASMY office at least once a week working on stuff, right? So the people who you're listening to, probably Jerry Banfield, don't do their research, don't know what they're talking about, and I would unsubscribe to those people as quickly as possible. Because the fact that they would say that Ondo has nothing to do with the project shows in itself that you are currently watching someone who doesn't know what they're talking about and doesn't do their research. That's a red flag across the board. I'm glad I have some knowledge, so when next bear market gets, I know what to expect. Yes, exactly. Experience. That's what they say, Isaac. Time in the market is better than timing the market, right? So you're absolutely right, brother. You nailed it there, man. Absolutely nailed it, brother. Okay, what else do we got, guys? Just so you know as well, quick heads up, as soon as this live stream is over, I will be jumping over to the Patreon to do a live group video call. We're going to be doing a group video call over there. So get over there, guys, if you want to participate in those. Don't miss out. It's going to be a lot of fun. All right, so let's check in on a couple of articles we got going on here, guys. Will crypto markets rally after the election? So Arthur Hayes, the co-founder of BitMEX, foresees a rebound in cryptocurrency markets following the upcoming U.S. elections. In the recent discussion on the Big Whale YouTube channel, Hayes highlighted a shift in the liquidity landscape for crypto assets, attributing this change to the Federal Reserve and other central banks easing their monetary policies. Hayes emphasized that the recent increase in liquidity is beneficial for cryptocurrency markets. He noted that the Fed's decision to modify its tight monetary stance through interest rate cuts has fostered a more favorable environment for riskier assets. With reduced borrowing costs, governments can afford to relax monetary policies without significantly hampering economic growth, particularly as inflationary pressures from the post-pandemic era appear to be manageable. This environment is likely to encourage more capital flow into cryptocurrencies. Despite the optimistic outlook, Hayes warned that the uncertainty surrounding the elections could negatively impact risk assets. In the short term, he explained that the election process could create volatility in the markets, leading him to pause on purchasing further crypto assets for the next few months. As the election date approaches, Hayes advises investors to remain cautious, as market volatility is likely to persist during this period. He believes that following the elections, a surge in cryptocurrency value is plausible, especially with the Fed's rate cuts and increased government spending predicted regardless of the election outcome. Guys, listen, you have the two world's largest economies, China and the US, cutting rates. We have at least two more 25 basis point rate cuts coming in the States. You have the money printers turning on in those two largest world global economies. Guys, the election, there's so many catalysts happening in the next couple of months. It's unbelievable, right? Unbelievable. Hey, what's going on with Nets? Yeah, Nets has actually been putting in a lot of work lately, man. A lot of work. I've been following them over on X. And they've really been putting out a lot of stuff. Let's go over to their X account right now and have a look. Hang on. Let's see what they've been up to. I've been following them, been keeping one eye on them because I do hold Nets. It's one of my sleeper picks. All right, so 5 hours ago, we'll be decommissioning the first iterations of the MainNetz Explorer for both mainnet and testnets on Friday the 4th. Please ensure you're using the new Explorer going forward. Old Explorer, so they're updating their tech. Another post here, we want to hear from you. Share your experiences with MainNetz and its impact on your blockchain journey. Look at this. They're posting like crazy, guys. Yesterday, empowering builders and innovation in the crypto space. Yeah, they've been posting like nuts. I've been following them. They are up to a lot right now, guys. I told you guys, don't sleep on MainNetz. They're, don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years, right? Let's get into some, actually quick, we'll read this stuff. Brandon, I got divorced over Jasmy, I believe so hard. I hope that's not true. I hope that's not true, my friend. I would like a lesson on staking my Jasmy. I'm not sure how to you can't stake it yet, Les, but as soon as you can, you have to wait for the super wallet to come out. So as soon as you can, we will do a tutorial on it for you. Brandon, I believe so hard. Love Jasmy. Yes, it's him, Jerry Banfield. Hey, no problem. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you don't want to listen to Jerry Banfield, man. Brandon, I want to join. How do I join? You want to join here. I'll put a link in the chat for you, my friend. This is how you join. This is how you join, my friend. Make sure you join us for our group video calls. You're going to love it. The link is in the chat. Guys, if anyone else wants to book one-on-one coaching sessions or you want to join our video group calls that we do almost on a daily basis, we do technical analysis training. We do crypto giveaways, swing trade opportunities, portfolio help, so much stuff, guys. Get over to the Patreon. You're missing out. I'm telling you right now, you're missing out on a lot. We have a massive community over there. Beebs, good evening, future crypto millionaires. Beebs in the house. What's up, buddy? Monica, long time no see. I think we'll see 3 cents before the end of the month. I agree. 3 cents 2 is the next leg up. I would agree with you. We could see 4 cents 4, maybe even higher than that by the end of the month. I love to see the positivity, though. I absolutely love to see the positivity. Too many people are, upset because of we're like half a day into the month, and people are freaking out. It's crazy. It's crazy how sensitive some people are, right? Bruno, what's up, buddy? Today we had a lot of happening in the Middle East conflict. Yeah, exactly, right? But we're already starting to recover. That's the thing of it, right? Like, look at this. Look at this. Look at Bitcoin's chart. We're already bouncing back. We're already back up over. The 100-day SMA. Got to work our way back up to the 200 here. We're already back over 61.6. So Jerry's back. Say it ain't so. Yeah, no kidding. I think he left for clicks and now he's back for clicks, right? The guy's a click whore, right? That's all he is. Let's get into some XRP, guys. There is a lot of mega ultra bullish XRP news today. Check this out. Bitwise's XRP ETF. Bitwise aims to introduce an XRP ETF, enhancing investment options in the crypto space. Bitwise, a company specializing in cryptocurrency-based investment funds, has formally applied to launch an ETF based on XRP, the digital currency native to Ripple's network. This signals Bitwise's venture into potentially new terrain in the realm of digital currency investment vehicles. The initial report surfaced after Bitwise application with the Delaware Division of Corporations, proposing an entity named Bitwise XRP ETF. While this could hint at an imminent launch of the product, Bitwise Chief Investment Officer Matthew Hogan confirmed the registration during an interview with The Block. Currently, the application does not appear to have been submitted to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the regulatory body that has the final say on spot-based digital currency ETFs. Earlier this year, the SEC approved the launch of a Bitcoin-related products, and in July, it authorized the Ethereum-linked funds. So here's the catch, guys. How in God's green earth can the SEC legally deny an XRP ETF, spot ETF, when a court has declared XRP not a security? There's no basis to deny it at this point, right? I think if they did, they would get sued immediately, right? Because again, just like with the Ethereum spot ETF, they would have to somehow justify why they would give an Ethereum and Bitcoin ETF, but not an XRP ETF when XRP, again, has legal clarity, right? What would be the fundamental difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin and XRP that would justify them denying a spot ETF for XRP? That's what they would have to contend with. So it will be interesting to see. Challenges ahead for crypto ETFs. Predicting the success of a spot XRP ETF might be premature, particularly given the complex backdrop of the SEC's prolonged battle with Ripple Labs. The SEC's legal skirmish did not end entirely in its favor, as it was determined that the pre-sale of the token did not qualify as an unregistered securities trading, at least among retail investors. So if the SEC did deny it, it would not reflect very well on them in court when they get sued for denying it, the same way they got sued by Grayscale for denying the initial Bitcoin ETFs, right? It would look like they were being hostile and bitter towards Ripple and XRP because they got their royal butts whipped in court by them, right? The SEC managed a partial victory in the case by acknowledging that there were violations in the token trading among institutional investors. Consequently, after several weeks of dispute, the agency settled with Ripple on a $125 million fine, concluding the legal battle. The prospect of seeing more spot crypto ETFs is bleak, not only for Ripple, but generally across the sector. Analysts deemed it unlikely that other digital currencies will see similar products in the short term. Beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, other digital currencies have smaller market caps, implying lower liquidity. As Bitwise moves forward with the plans for the XRP-based fund, entities like VanEck and 21 Shares are pursuing a Solana spot ETF. However, these efforts face hurdles that diminish their likelihood of entering the U.S. markets. I think that all changes with the U.S. election, to be honest with you. We know Gare Bear is going to get walked out the front door with his box full of stuff, right? Lastly, these applications arrive at a time when the SEC might undergo a leadership change. Analysts speculate that if either Donald Trump or Kamala Harris wins the election, Gary Gensler might leave his position at the SEC, potentially making way for a new chairperson. I think we're going to see Hester Pierce take over the head of the SEC in short order here, in my opinion. And if she does, I think we are far, 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 far more likely to actually see a flurry of spot ETFs across Solana, XRP, Avalanche, so on and so forth. Rodney, I bought more today. I'm happy. We had other chances. Why people worry so much? Yes, exactly, Rodney. Exactly. I said that earlier. It's beyond me how people are panicking right now. I was so excited, man. Listen, this morning before I left, I put in some buy orders, and then I went to work, right? And I was so excited to come home from the office to see if my buy orders filled, and they did. And I was super jacked up about that. While everyone else was panicking, I was like, here comes the money. Bruno, I bought some JASMY XEN and Swift today. Couldn't resist this nice dip. Nice, brother. Nice. That's how it's done, man. John 3:16, scared money don't make money. Absolutely. Impatient people make patient people money. Blessings, Rob. Keep shining. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. I dig it, man. 3 cents. Absolutely, man. Matt's in the house. What's up, brother? Havoc. It's been a minute, man. What's up? Long time. Hope you and yours are doing well. We're all good in the hood, baby. We are all good in the hood. I hope you're doing good. I hope everybody's safe, man. Bruno with the super chat, brother. I appreciate you, my friend. Thank you for supporting the channel. It always means the world. Thank you for all you do for this community, Rob. Hey, thank you guys for all you do for me too, man. I love having these talks with you guys. I love having these conversations. I look forward to them, guys, right? I look forward to them. We are a community here, right? And I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. All right, what else do we got going on here? Rodney, do you view the new white paper as super bullish? I do, Rodney. I do, and I'm actually doing a series of videos breaking down the new white paper. I released the first parts today, I believe, came out this afternoon. So keep an eye out for those, because I am doing a breakdown of the entire white paper, the new version of the white paper. So yes, video 1 is already up, so make sure you go watch it, guys. All right, what else do we got? We got more bullish news for Ripple and XRP. It just keeps coming. It was a big, big day, guys. Ripple receives in-principle approval from Dubai Financial Services Authority. Ripple, a leading digital asset infrastructure provider, has received approval from the Dubai Financial Services Authority to expand its service from the Dubai International Financial Center, thereby strengthening its global presence and enabling the introduction of seamless cross-border payment services, including Ripple payments directly in the UAE. The in-principle license allows Ripple to begin the final steps necessary for full licensure. The DIFC, recognized for its robust regulatory framework, requires applicants to meet various criteria, including establishing office space within the financial sector. Ripple's successful acquisition of this license would position it as the first blockchain-enabled payment service provider fully licensed under the DFSA. Ripple intends to center Dubai as a key location to expand its offerings throughout the Middle East, Africa, and South Asia. The UAE focuses on developing a forward-thinking financial technology landscape, reinforce this strategic positioning. According to Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, the UAE supportive regulations and favorable environment for startups attract financial technology innovators. Shots fired at Gary Gensler. Additionally, Salman Jeffrey, the Chief Business Development Officer of the DIFC Authority, pointed out Dubai's favorable location and solid regulatory structure, which helps international firms reach substantial goals in the fintech field. Ripple's presence in Dubai will likely ignite the use of blockchain in regional cross-border payments and uphold Dubai's reputation as a global fintech hub. Gary Gensler holding down the United States of America. Dubai has also implemented stricter rules for cryptocurrency companies conducting businesses within their jurisdiction. On September 26th, the Dubai Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority established that all digital assets investment advertisements must present clear disclaimers. According to Vera CEO Matthew White, these new rules are designed to enable virtual asset providers to act transparently and responsibly. This action by Vera aligns the efforts to create a safe and monitored atmosphere of digital asset investments in Dubai. Ripple's presence in this controlled setting may allow the firm to significantly impact the shifting landscape of digital payments worldwide. Big things popping, little things stopping, guys. Massive day for Ripple and XRP. Shout out to the army. Havoc, do you think Max is right about Jasmy being $17? I think that Max is right in principle, yes. However, I just don't think during a bear market, I think the 4-year cycle is just too powerful, right? Now, my justification for saying that is that, guys, the entire world came to a standstill, and that is not an understatement. That is not an exaggeration. It is quite literal. The entire planet came to a standstill for over 2 years. People were locked in their homes, could not work. The economy was destroyed. People were fighting over toilet paper, okay? And that did not stop the 4-year cycle from playing out. If that can't stop it, if the entire world coming to a screeching halt for 2 years can't stop the 4-year cycle, nothing can, right? So in saying that, I think that Jasmy can reach that goal, but I don't think by 2026. I would say more realistically by 2028, 2029. I just don't think there's enough road left between now and 2026 to go from where we are to where we could be in such a short time frame. 2028, 2029's bull run. Now we're talking. Les, it's good. It's great. Thanks, Rob. Hey, no problem, brother. No problem. Havoc. I'm kind of with you being 17 in the next bull run, and I hope it is, honestly. Absolutely, brother. Like listening to your news each morning. Well, I like having you here, brother. I like having you here, man. I appreciate you, man. So yeah, guys, what else do we got here real quick? Let's look over at, I just want to show you guys this again. We talked about this. Look at this, guys. Every single time that we've had a green September, I'm going to show you here. Look, 100% of the time, October, November, December have been massively green, okay? Look at my cursor here, okay? Look, 2015, green September. Look at October, 33.49%. November, 19.27%. December, 13.83%. Now, this is just on Bitcoin. This isn't the whole market. When Bitcoin pumps 33.49%, altcoins pump hundreds of percents, guys, because they outperform because the market caps are lower, right? So let's go up to 2016. Look at another green September. What do we have? Up 6.04%. October, 14.71%. November, 5.42. December, 30.8. Shall we continue down up to 2023? We had a green September, up 3.91%. And then we go into October, 28.52, November, 8.81, December, 12.18. So here we are. 100% of the time in a green September scenario, we have had a green third quarter. You have nothing to be afraid of, in my opinion. All right, so yeah, so there you go. So let's go back over to the Bitcoin chart and have one last look here, guys. So look, yeah, Bitcoin's already recovering. I wouldn't be surprised if by the time we woke up tomorrow, we were back up here close to the 200-day SMA. So quick little recovery, guys, in my opinion. And October will continue. Can't stop the bum rush, okay? Those of you who were alive in the 80s, you get the reference. All right, guys. Listen, I'm going to wrap it up there. That's the news. I'm heading over to the Patreon, guys. I'm going to do, we're doing a group coaching call over on the Patreon right now in about 10 minutes. The link is in pinned comments. It's in the description. Get over to the Patreon, guys. Limited spots available. I'm jumping over there right now to continue this conversation. Don't be late. Don't miss it. Book your one-on-one coaching calls. I will see you guys in a little bit.